Best bread maker. Enter the modern bread machine. By simply adding all ingredients into it and pushing a few buttons, it does the rest of the work for you, making the bread making process quicker and easier. Here, we looked at factors such as extra features, loaf capacity, and gluten-free settings to compile our list of the best bread machines for every kind of bread lover. Here, we looked at factors such as extra features, loaf capacity, and gluten-free settings to compile our list of the best bread machines for every kind of bread lover. Number 1. Breadman 2 pounds Professional Bread Maker. Choose from 14 unique bread settings to enjoy bakery results at home. This 2-pound bread maker is easy to use thanks to the digital display, pre-programmed settings, and a fruit and nut dispenser that automatically adds extras at the right time. You'll get great results using the 14 baking functions, which include low-carb, gluten-free, and artisan dough. You can choose the size loaf you're making, 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, or 2 pounds, and how you want the crust to turn out, light, medium, or dark. Number 2. Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker. The smartest bread maker ever. There's nothing like waking up to a freshly baked loaf of bread. But when there are over 60 different recipes to choose from, how do you make sure you get it right? A very clever interface computes temperature and baking time when you make a selection, while a super easy turn and confirm dial gets you started on any recipe in seconds. Number 3. Cuisinart Bread Maker. Everybody loves homemade bread, but not everybody has time to make it. Let Cuisinart do it for you. Our versatile and compact automatic bread maker offers a variety of crust colors and loaf sizes, as well as 12 pre-programmed menu options. Foolproof recipes include everything from gluten-free and artisan breads to jams and sauces. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 2LB Digital Bread Maker. White, wheat, sourdough, country, French or even homemade jam. The home baker bread machine from Hamilton Beach will do it all. Making artisan breads at home has never been easier or more foolproof. Whatever your taste preferences or dietary needs, you can satisfy them with the Hamilton Beach Home Baker Bread Machine. Developed with nutrition in mind, it features settings such as gluten-free and whole grain so you can bake wholesome breads using a variety of flours. In addition to bread, you can make pizza dough, cakes, jams, flatbreads and croissants. Number 5. Oster Express Bake Bread Maker. Fresh baked bread is a favorite in every home, gently filling the air with an enticing aroma and satisfying everyone's taste buds. This electric bread maker bakes a 2-pound loaf in less than an hour with the EXPRESSBAKE cycle. Use the 13-hour delay timer for customized bake time. Effortlessly mixes, kneads, rises and bakes up to a 2-pound loaf of bread all in one unit.